Okay, everybody, in this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview on how an easier way to trade semi-expert advisor works. Whenever we get across, it would actually put you in the trade. And if you, depending on how you have your settings, it would take you out of the trade on either a take profit, of course, a stop loss, or the cross comes back across. So let's watch this and see how this works. So we got a cross. It put us in the trade right now, and now price is going. Now, depending on our TP, we be out of the trade or we just let it run. So this is running, and we're gonna base it off of it coming back and crossing over again. Price is going. We just letting the EA do its thing. It is going, making us money. Okay, we got a cross. So when we got our first down cross here, it put us in, and let's see, from here down, that's 76 pips. EA just came down 76 pips. So let's mark that one. All right, 76 pips. Then it put us in another trade. Now, looking at this, we don't win every trade, correct? We look to win more than we lose, though. So it would have put us in this trade here, and we'd have lost that trade because price put us in right here. The EA put us in at price right here, and then it immediately turned around and took us out right here when it crossed back over at the end of this candle. So that's negative 16 pips. So let's mark that. Negative 16 pips. Okay. Then it immediately closed us out of that trade, but look, it put us right back in the sale. So we lost 16, but we're right back in again on the sale. Are we getting that money back yet? We lost 16 here, but we're getting that money back because it took us out and put us right back in on the sale. All right. Now it's right here. So we came down to 70 pips. This one is. We're putting us in down to our TP, 85 pips, 86 pips. So let's mark that. Depending on what your TP is, normally I go for anywhere from 30 to 40 pips. So I would have got it right here. I'd have lost 16 here, but I'd have got that 30 or 40 here. So I'm still positive. Now it puts us back in the trade again on the buy. Okay. It puts us in the trade here. Put us in and took us out when it crossed back over. But I got a TP of I got a stop loss of 30 pips. So I'd have lost about 30 pips on that one right in here. So let's mark it. The object of the EA is to get you in every trade, all the trades that you would have missed, depending on if you're using the trend finder or not. But guess what? We lost that 30, but we're right back in the trade again. All right, still going. Did we get it back? Okay. Got an arrow here, but where did price go? From here down to about 33, 34 pips. So we got the 34 pips right here, right? For the lowest part, 34 pips. So we got that price, we got that back. And now we're in the buy. Now we're in the buy. And as you learn to master the EA, you can let the trades run longer. All right. So now we're in the buy here. And now we're up. We got up about 45 pips. 45 pips to the top right here, right? So let's mark that. 45 pips. All right, let's keep it going. We're in the sale. As you can see, it's a very, very simple method. We just take the trade when it hits the cross. We got so many different ways that we can use this EA. All right, so now we're down. Lowest point, it's about 30 pips here, about 29 pips. So we got 29 pips. As you can see, we've only lost 2 trades so far. Back in the buy now. We're in the buy going. All right, we're out. We're out. Got in right here. Went up to the highest point, about 39 pips. So we got 39 pips on this one. Y'all see how this is working? The object is to get more wins than losses, which is what our EA does for you. In the sale here, now we're selling. Going down, getting pips, getting money. All right. All the way down, about 31 pips there on that one. So that's the basics of how our EA works, our semi-EA works. It's very, very simple. Of course, there are a lot of different ways that we can trade with the EA. We have a lot of different settings that we can use to trade with the EA to make even more money. But that's just a basic understanding of how an easier way to trade semi-EA works.